Hi, whether you are a student aiming for higher studies or a professional seeking better career opportunities abroad, cracking a language proficiency test is a must. And IELTS is the most trusted choice worldwide. Although there are a plethora of options and you see IELTS coaching boards in every nook and corner of the country, success truly depends on a well-structured course designed and taught by experts. This is 𝘊𝘰𝘯𝘵𝘢𝘆𝑚, Academic Director of Learn with Maria, an official referral partner of IDP IELTS. As a Cambridge CELTA certified language trainer, I have carefully designed IELTS courses for learners of all language levels, right from the basics. Foundational grammar and skill building are part of every course so that writing and speaking become easier. We teach the right strategies for reading and listening, provide authentic practice materials, and assess your language level first to offer customized coaching and personalized attention. So come, join Learn with Maria, your trusted partner for IELTS success.